In today's video, we are going to show you how to create UGC content using Higgsfield. Now, if you are into affiliate marketing, dropshipping, TikTok ads, or brand deals, this tool can help you create high converting UGC videos using AI. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Higgsfield and log in using your credentials. On the top corner, you have multiple tabs, and I want you to hover to the video section. Scroll down until you find the UGC factory because this is where you can build your UGC video with Avatar. Now, to generate a good UGC content, you should start with a template. You can select from a selfie, selling, maybe ASMR, podcast, car talking, mirror selfie, stream, static, steadicam, angry mode, rapping. It's up to you. But if you are not sure what template you are going to use, you might want to go to the general first. Click on the next button and you will be forwarded to the image. Now, if you have a specific image that you wanted, you can add it here and click the next button. And for the action inside the Higgsfield, you can either write your own script or generate one using AI. For example, let's say I'm gonna type in a specific prompt here, okay, and click the next button. Now, for the audio text, maybe we can write something like this. And for the audio settings, you have more control on the voice type. You can choose the voice that fits your character. Is it gonna be like auto, rough voice, harsh? For the emotion, is it gonna be like happy, sad, angry, fearful, surprised? It's up to you. For now, I'm just gonna choose the auto by default. And for the language, I'm gonna choose English. And for the accent, let's say American or British, it's up to you. And then click the next button, and what will happen is you can add a background sound. For example, let's say city noise. Okay, city noise. And click the generate button. Now, you may notice that for this specific UGC content, it will require 58 credits. Here in Higgsfield, every content generation requires credits, and if you run out of credits, you'll need to upgrade to one of their premium plans to continue creating. And to make sure you always have enough, you can simply go to your account dashboard, check how many credits you have left, and upgrade if needed. Now, after that, you'll be forwarded to the Lip Sync Studio, which is still part of the UGC creation. Here, you can paste your own script if you want, or if you want AI to generate, you can do that as well. For example, you can customize the voice tone. Is it going to be casual or persuasive or the speech? It's up to you. You can choose from a different model right here. And then, once you are happy, make it sound natural like someone actually reviewing a product, not reading a commercial. Click the generate button. Remember, rendering time may take a little while depending on the complexity of your prompt. At this point, you want to make sure that you are not using any proxy or VPN because that could interfere with the rendering. Once the content is fully generated before exporting, preview the video. Now, if it feels too robotic, you can adjust the tone or simplify the script. And once you are happy, you see that there is an option for you to download, publish, okay? Or if you want to share it with your client, with your team member, with your supervisor, you can do that. You have all these channels to share with. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a UGC content with Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.